Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make something so healthy, so delicious, so easy. You're gonna love it. We have made something similar before. We have made a sweetened condensed milk but using coconut milk powder. This time we're going to use something different method, but nonetheless so delicious. Let me show you how I put it together. First, we're going to start by soaking some raw cashews. Now, the cashews, they have to be, they can be crushed. You know, they're much cheaper when they're crushed. Very important. They can't be toasted. They can't be, of course, not deep fried or fried, okay? Raw, good quality raw cashews. We're going to soak them for either overnight, or you can add them to boiling water and leave them for 30-40 minutes. Or you can simmer them for 10-15 minutes. The goal here is for them to be soft and easier to blend because we want the creamy velvety cream, okay? A creamy velvety cream. That's exactly what we want. Now we're going to drain the cashews, discard this water. We're going to put them in a blender. We're going to add the sugar and hot water. If you want, you can add a little bit of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. And we're going to blend it for 5 minutes. After the cashews are blended, we're going to transfer them to a pot. And on medium-low heat, we're going to cook them until they thicken up. And until they achieve this consistency. Alright, so now we're going to put the cooked blended cashews and sugar back to the blender. We're going to add baking soda and we're going to blend for 5 minutes more. Now you must be asking yourselves why the baking soda, right? Because the baking soda is going to add air to it and let it get it a little bit whiter, you know, with a creamier texture, you know, a little bit more consistent, so it's important. And your sweetened vegan condensed milk is ready. Now, you can store them for up to 15 days in the fridge on an airtight container, well closed. Okay, do not double dip. Or you can also freeze it for for up to 2 months. All right. I would love to say that this recipe is mine. It's not. It's from Plant Life School. They are amazing. They're a couple Brazilian girls. They make amazing videos. She's a professional baker, so go to her channel because it's worth it. I think the channel is subtitled, but if you're Brazilian or you speak Portuguese, it's so worth it. If not, I'm bringing it here to you guys, okay? I love this recipe because many of you were a little bit confused, not confused, but you had a little bit of difficulty finding the coconut powder milk. And believe it or not, most of them, they had also, go figure, powdered milk, like a regular cow's milk mixed into it. And I was like so upset because then it was like, what's the point, right? Some don't have that much, but some do, and that's disappointing. So this is entirely made from scratch, no powder milk whatsoever. And if you want to substitute the cashews for another nut, I wouldn't advise you to, because the residual taste from other nuts is very present. So it's not going to be neutral like this one is, okay? But if you must try, okay, you can do that. But then keeping in mind that the taste is going to change quite considerably, all right? So I hope you have liked this recipe. Oh, I have some condensed milk here, I do. So sweet. So delicious. Oh my god, I hope you make it. What can you make with it? You can use it just as you would use any condensed milk. You can gift wrap it and give it to your friend who's got a sweet tooth. Why not, right? Just make it and let me know in the comments below what is the first recipe that you're going to use this sweetened condensed milk for. I would love to know. Suggestions as well, okay? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button and the like button as well. And what else I was gonna say? Follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram. Post pictures and tag me. I love when you do that. And subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.